What's up, YouTube? This is the Barber Illuminati one more time with another fresh one. In today's video we have a basic ABC medium, actually a drop fade. As you already know my style, the great majority of the haircut has already been completed. I left a small portion to share with you guys my fading techniques. Nothing more, nothing less. And guess what I have in my hand? The Wahl Senior. This video will be performed with the adjustable Wahl Senior. So far I'm taking a lot of heat from the subscribers because I'm using adjustable now. But this is still an all detachable blade channel. From time to time I'm going to throw an adjustable blades in there for variety's sake. You know, I'm sure you guys understand. Shout out to Cuts from Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville, Florida. What's up? Shout out to Mendy, Miss Universe from out of Ghana. I see you. Let's go! Now I had to calm down and adjust the camera. By the way, we are at Marvelous Beauty and Barber School in Waukegan, Illinois. We are not hard to find. Let's go. I got the perfect canvas today. Oh my God, we're gonna have so much fun with this video. Wow. This video is gonna be quick. I'm sure in the 10 minutes I can complete this project. Boom. We're just gonna add this section, this haircut, and I'm done. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit more, then we're gonna go to work. If you're new to the channel, I'm recommending that you subscribe right now. I found out the other day, 68-point-something% of the people that watch the videos do not subscribe for whatever weird reason. And I'm here to tell all the people, the majority of people watching my videos, to subscribe right now. Stop playing, people. The Barber Illuminati did about 1 million subscribers. Okay, this is my first guideline with the Wahl Senior, lever open. I'm going to be doing open, middle, close. Middle. Get in there. Close. Boom. Now I'm going to move on to my 1.5. Close. 1.5 close. Then I'm going to move on to the guard. I'm going to do open, middle, close. Then add the half guard, the 1/16 guard you guys call it, in the middle between the two guidelines, and I'm done. Barber Illuminati. All right. This is my one Wahl guard open. I'm staying below the 1.5. Actually, I'm blending into the 1.5. Middle. Close. She can wait. I'm almost done here. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same steps with the one, open, middle, close. Middle. Close. Then I'm going to move on to the half guard, the 1/16th guard shortly. Boom. Now, when you use the half guard, you got to use the front of the blade in order for you to successfully connect the two guidelines. Okay, let's go. I'm using the front of the blade. You see? The front of the blade. So I have no problem connecting, merging the two guidelines. I'm going to open the guard a little bit and get in there a little bit more. I'll close it a little bit and work down below. It's that simple. Alright, I'm going to take a minute to take a look at the haircut, look for little flaws, do a little bit of detail work before I move on. This is my half guard, all the way open. I'm looking for little flaws all around the haircut. So far, I barely find any. Alright. Wow, this is going to be one of my fastest videos. I'm very much done already. Alright, I take out the guard. I'm going to use the corner of the blade to kind of quickly remove a little small residue. And after that, I think I'm done here. Doing a little detail work. Shout out to Christian Cuts. I'm going to turn the other side of the haircut, looking for little flaws. Oh man, this side is perfect. Wow. They say nothing is perfect. I don't believe so. Some things in this world are perfect, okay? Uh-oh, I'm out of range. Alright, YouTube, I apologize. This haircut went out of range for a minute. I removed the guard and I'm doing a little tidy up towards the crown. I'm going with it. It's curly hair, so I gotta make sure the hair lay down flat. Alright YouTube, this haircut is complete. I'm going to do a quick span so you guys will be able to see the entire work. After that, I'm gonna eat my lunch. All right? All right, YouTube, this is the cut. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I'm gonna go do a quick spin. After that, this gentleman's going to work. Me, I'm going to lunch. I'm already at work. All right, quick spin. For you guys to be able to see the entire work. Yes, I think it's a little too much light. There we go. I'm gonna reduce the light a bit. Yes, I did add a little bit of fiber towards the hairline earlier off camera. Yes, the Barber Illuminati gonna start implementing hair fiber in some of the work. I'm an all natural guy, but some of the work, if it's called for, I'll just go for it. And yes, this channel has to advance. This channel has to progress. So I'm looking for ways and means to add a variety of different types of features to the channel. So if you watched the video all the way this far, you really are a true fan. If you watched the video all the way this far, you really are a true fan. Shout out to Miguel Torres, Miss Regina, Cuts from Custom Made Barbershop, Christian Cuts, Ricardo Cuts, Cortex Cuts, Jesus Cuts, the real hoes of the barber, the regular hoes of the barber. Who else? Did I miss anybody? Barber Illuminati.